Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, which is not a very good one, but I tried. Today I'm going to be showing you my slime collection update. So let's get started. First I have this one, which I really love. It's like really good and really stretchy, but really cold at the same time. Kind of sticky. It's not a very good slime. And I love the colors, and it's just so pretty. The next one is this one. It's upside down and is very sticky and liquidy. So I'm not going to pour this out because it's just going to stick. But it's supposed to be a butter slime. Sorry, my dog. It's supposed to be a butter slime, but it melted and I can't get it back together. So now I'm stuck. Yeah, that's great. And now the next one is very good also. This one's neon. It says it's squishy like slime on the back. But it's actually, it looks like putty, but it's very stretchy and liquidy. Like, look, it just melts. It's very stretchy. It even says it here, it's super stretchy. And it actually is. But I don't know why all of my slimes are super cold though. And this one's also floods. The next one is this one. This one is kind of also sticky. I'm just not going to take out the whole thing because it's kind of sticky and it's stuck to the bag kind of. But it's also very good. Oh no. And the next one is this one. This one's not very good, but not that bad. It's like slimy and jiggly. But the bad thing about this is that it doesn't stick together that well. Like it does, but yeah. And last but not least, this one. Okay. This one's not sticky at all, and it's kind of tough, but we can still work with it. And it's kind of stringy, but kind of not. Sorry, they keep falling. And yeah, that is it. So I hope you guys liked it, liked the slimes. Comment which one was your favorite out of all of them. I personally, out of all of these, I think I liked this one. Just say them by their colors, which one you like the most. If you like one of these the most, then just say the sparkly blue, the light blue, and the blue. And yeah, I think I like this one the most and this one second. And these are all a tie. So yeah, please like this video and subscribe. Bye.